Hi guys, this is Greg Brown over at Code 541 CrossFit in Bend, Oregon, and this is Coach's Development lesson number 4, which is lesson planning. So I chose the 3 rounds for time workout. We have a 400-meter run. We have a 20 kettlebell swings at 53 pounds for the guys, 35 for the ladies. We have a 25-calorie row, 20 for the ladies, and then we have 15 toes to bar. So the stimulus for my workout is between 13 and 17 minutes. And the way that I came up with that is some basic math. For the run, I figure it's going to take anywhere from 1 minute and 30 seconds to 2 minutes, maybe for some of my slower athletes. The kettlebell swings are going to take anywhere from about a minute. And then the row is going to take anywhere from a minute to a minute 30 for maybe some of my slower rows. Toes to bar is going to take anywhere from 45 seconds to a minute. If we look at the kettlebell swings, I'm looking at some basic math here. 2 seconds per rep to get me times 20 to get me at that about 1 minute mark. And if we look at the calorie row, again, a minute to minute 30. The toes to bar, each rep should take about 2 seconds. And so if you multiply that times 15, you get about 45 seconds. Breaking those reps up gets you to about a minute or so. So my athlete's going to need to break that up a little bit. So I'm figuring 45 seconds to anywhere from a minute for my toes to bar. So if we look at all the calculations here, I'm thinking about 4 minutes to 30 seconds to anywhere to 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Per round. So to hit that stimulus of 13, anywhere between 13 minutes to 17 minute stimulus. I am going to time cap them at 18 minutes. So if we look at the plan down here, using the outside in approach, I bookend it with my whiteboard brief from 0 to 4 minutes. And then the cool down is going to be from the 50-minute mark to the 60-minute mark. So if we look at our actual workout, we're starting our workout at the 30-minute mark and going to the 50-minute mark. So I'm going to get in a little bit of buffer. I did say 18 minutes, but I planned it for 20, just in case we need a little extra couple minutes to get set up for that. So 30 minutes, at the 30-minute mark, we're going to start. 15-minute mark, 20 minutes later, we'll be able to finish. And then right before that, the 26-minute mark, we're going to do our test round and do our pre-workout break. So about 4 minutes for that. I would like them to get into a couple sets of doing some kettlebell swings, getting in some rowing maybe, and doing a few toes to bar, getting a couple sets of that in. And then the 14-minute mark to the 26-minute mark, we're going to be doing our specific warm-up. There I will teach the kettlebell swing, going over the proper movement of the kettlebell swings, the points of performance of the kettlebell swing. I'm going to have them practice that as well after I model that. And I also want to give them time to, also teach the toes to bar, go over progressions of the toes to bar to get them warmed up for that, and then have them practice those progressions before we get it. The general warm-up is going to be from 4 minutes to 14 minutes, so I made a 10-minute timeline for the general warm-up, and again the whiteboard brief at 0 to 4 minutes. So that's my lesson plan for the 3 rounds for time. Thank you very much.